I'm Skylar from Sparktopus, and today we are going to cut right through all the AI noise. For entrepreneurs, there's really only one question that matters. How do you actually make money with this stuff? So, let's set the record straight.
All right, let's just get this out of the way, the single most important truth right up front. AI by itself is not going to make you any money. I see it all the time. Business owners get caught up in the hype, they buy the latest, shiniest AI tool, and they expect revenue to just, poof, magically appear. But you know what? That's not how it works. That's a one-way ticket to a brand new expense, not a profitable investment. And here's the core misunderstanding, the big trip up for so many people. They think AI is a business model. It's not. AI is a tool. It's that simple. Think about it like this. Owning a hammer doesn't make you a carpenter, right? The value is never in the hammer itself. It's in what you build with it. And it's the exact same thing with AI. The real profit, that comes from using it to solve real problems. Things like slashing costs, getting more conversions, or, my favorite, creating a customer experience that people just can't stop talking about.
So really getting your head around this myth, the idea that the profit is somehow in the tool, that is the absolute first, most critical step if you're an entrepreneur who wants real results from AI and not just another line item on your software bill. You have to start here.
Okay, so that leads to a pretty obvious question, right? If AI is so powerful, why do we hear about so many of these projects failing? Why do they just turn into these expensive experiments that go nowhere? Well, it almost always comes down to a handful of really common but absolutely critical pitfalls.
First things first, let's talk about your data. You have to think of data as the fuel for your AI engine. Now, if your customer records are clean, if your sales pipeline is all nice and structured, well, then you're giving the AI some premium, high-octane fuel to work with. It can do amazing things. But what if your data is a total mess? Inconsistent, incomplete, just chaotic. AI is just going to amplify that chaos. It's literally like pouring gasoline on a fire. It's the oldest rule in the book. Garbage in, garbage out. You're guaranteed to get bad results.
And that brings me to what is, honestly, the single biggest reason most businesses fail with AI. It's a complete and total lack of strategy. People go out, they buy a bunch of random tools because they sound cool, but they have zero plan for how these pieces fit into the bigger picture. Look, revenue doesn't just happen by accident. It grows when you intentionally weave AI into the fabric of your business, your sales funnel, your marketing, your customer service. It has to be connected.
But, even if you have a great strategy, there's still another hurdle to clear: execution. And AI can give you these incredible insights, right? It can pinpoint which leads are red hot, or tell you exactly which ads are going to perform the best. But here's the thing. The tool itself doesn't pick up the phone and call that lead. It doesn't actually run the ad campaign. People and systems have to do that. And insight without action is, well, it's completely worthless. Execution is where the potential turns into actual money in the bank.
All right, so we've talked a lot about the problems, the pitfalls, the ways things can go wrong. Enough of that. Let's pivot and talk about the solution, because there is a clear strategic path forward, a blueprint for using AI to create real sustainable growth. And here's the winning formula. It's not about finding one magic tool that does everything. It's a simple three-step blueprint. Step 1, you have to align AI with your core business strategy. What are you actually trying to achieve? Step 2, you integrate it across your key processes. We're talking marketing, sales, customer support, the whole shebang. And step 3, and this is the most important part, you stop just using tools and you start building a system. That is how you create real, powerful leverage in your business.
So what's the end goal here? We're not just using AI anymore. We are building an AI automation system. Think of it like an engine, an integrated engine that is custom built for your business, and it works around the clock 24/7. It's generating leads, it's nurturing your customers, and it's driving revenue even while you sleep. That, my friends, is where the real profit is hiding.
Okay, so knowing the blueprint is one thing, but the really crucial part is moving from knowing it to actually building it. It's easy to talk about strategy, but what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's break it down with a couple of quick, concrete examples. And this, of course, is where we come in. Building a system like this isn't easy. At Sparktopus, we specialize in designing these exact AI automation systems. We handle the strategic IT consulting to make sure it all aligns with your goals, and we do the custom web and app development to bring it all to life. Look, our entire philosophy is right here. You shouldn't have to become a tech expert to benefit from AI.
You're an expert at your business, so let us handle the complex execution of building your system so you can stay focused on what you do best, serving your customers and growing your company.
So let's bring this all together. The goal isn't to go out and buy more AI tools. The real goal, the profitable goal, is to build a genuine revenue system. A system designed with a clear strategy that's laser-focused on your specific business goals.
If you're ready to stop experimenting and start building a real revenue system that works for you, then it's time to talk. Just check out the link in the description and you can book a direct consultation with us at Sparkopus. We can get this started.
So I want to leave you with one final question to think about. I want you to take a hard look at how you're using AI right now, or even just how you're planning to use it, and then ask yourself honestly, is this just another expense on my books, or is this a true investment that is actively driving my business forward? The answer to that question? Well, it's going to tell you everything you need to know about what to do next. Remember, the big shift is moving from just buying software to strategically building systems that actually make you money. That's the key takeaway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.